Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 reviews. Today, thanks to McFarland House of Cars, we have the 2008 BMW M3 manual. So, for those of you that know, the E92 M3, which is really, in this example, is the E93, is the only M3 to ever come with a V8. I want to say it was a 4.4 liter. It was a 4 liter. 4 liter. 414 horsepower, 295 pound-feet of torque with a red line of 8,500 RPM, which is just absolutely outrageous. It's it's one of these cars that I think over time people are going to realize that something like this can never be made again, especially with a manual transmission. And I think this is the cheapest we'll ever see them for clean examples. This is the E93, which was the hardtop convertible. The E92, I want to say, was the coupe, and the E90 was the sedan. I think that's how it goes, but whatever. 6-speed manual. High revving V8 made it to a manual transmission. That is just something that can never be made again. It's crazy to think about. This car is almost 20 years old. It's wild, absolutely wild. And I just stepped out of the 23 M4, pretty much as close to this car as you're gonna get, except I drove a comp automatic. Obviously no auto rev matching, but I can do it myself. This is one of those cars that, like I said before, is going to go down in history as I still say the mid-2000s produced some of the best driving cars, best drivers' cars ever. I mean, you had the Carrera GT. Somebody wants to tell me where I can get that now, let me know, because I don't know of any. Oh my gosh, there's just every fiber in your being at 6 is like, I should upshift. And you're like, okay, 65, 7, you're like, there's still 1,500 more. At 7, you're like, I got to shift. And there's 1,500 more. This thing doesn't make peak power until 8,300. And yeah, while the torque 295 is low for a V8, that's not where this thing shines. It's the upper RPMs. This thing just sings. It's Oh. I love this car. I love this car. This is one of my favorite M cars I've ever driven. This is just, it's everything I would want. Man, what a car. Just what a car. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one.